Hey YouTube, how we doing? I know it's been a little while since we've taken a look at something from Kershaw, so we're going to rectify that right now. So stay tuned after we roll that intro, and you're going to see which Kershaw we're going to take a look at. So here we go. Alrighty guys, I don't even know why I do that sometimes. I'm like, we'll see what's in the box, when the freaking title that just came across there gives it away. As you saw by that title, we're going to take a look at the Kershaw Brawler 1990. Well, there it is in all of its glory. It has an overall length of 7.1 inches, the blade's 3.0, and closed it's 4.1. Honestly, I got it because of the Tonto. Seriously, I really did. I like it. Thought it was cool as crap. Had to bring it on. But the weight of this guy is 3.9 ounces, and your blade steel is our old buddy 8CR13 MOV. It has a black finish with black oxide coating. Kind of redundant, black on black, but that's okay. Kind of cool. It does have Kershaw's patented speed safe open. I love those when they just rock it out. As you saw, it has a flipper open, plus the dual thumb studs. And I guess you could call this a little bit back here jimping. I mean, not too much, but it's there. Now, this is something I thought was cool. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4 position pocket clip. So you can carry this left, right, tip up, tip down, however you want to. The handle is our usual buddy, the glass-filled nylon. I mean, why do they just call it that? Why don't they just say, look, we got plastic handles? They're not that Zytel crap, which is slippery as crap. But it's like, stop saying glass-filled nylon like it's some space-age thing. Just my thing. You can see in there where it's got stainless steel frames. And this one is made in China. For anybody who's curious if it's made in the U.S. or made over in China. Now, I know we forget to do this a bunch of times, but, you know, just simple old everyday military style paracord. Right out of the box. Not bad. Not bad at all. A little bit of damage to the paracord. Alright, now as we usually do, we take a look at costs and ratings. So we looked on Amazon, Kershaw, and Blade HQ. Over on Amazon, it's $25.49. Kershaw, it's $49.99, and Blade HQ, $29.95. We took a look at the ratings. Over on Amazon, it's 4.5 out of 5. Now, this is what made me go, what the F? Over on Kershaw, it's 5 out of 5, but I found a couple 1-star reviews. You can't average out a 1-star and a 5-star and get a 5-star. Not going to happen. Over on Blade HQ, it's 5 out of 5. But it is that time, guys. Questions, comments, hatred, love, whatever. You know what to do. Down below, please. I will answer each and every one like I always do, because I love presenting these things to you guys. If you're a first-time viewer of the channel, I want to thank you so much for taking a moment of your day to watch one of my videos. It does mean the world to me. Now, you're going to see a symbol popping up right down here. That's going to be my company logo. Please go ahead and mash that symbol because it's going to take you right to subscribe. Right after you get to subscribe, please destroy the bell icon that is right next to it. It's going to notify you every single time we upload a video. Now, speaking of vidges, 2 going to pop up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think is going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My quick overview of the Kershaw Brawler 1990. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have an incredible day.